Hello everyone. Let's continue the class. So in last class we have learned some methods how to calculate the effective resistance. Now let's see more cases how to calculate the effective resistance. Okay. So our topic is going on. This is calculation of effective resistance. And in that third case I am telling, that is method of successive reduction. Method of successive reduction. Method of successive reduction. So in this method, or this is a one case, so that we can calculate the effective resistance. And when we have to use this method, we can use this method if we are able to identify resistors in series and parallel. Okay, we can use this method if we are able to identify resistors in series and parallel. So let's take one example so that you will understand how to use this method of successive reduction. Okay, so let's take one example. Clear? I am drawing the diagram. You have to wait for. You can also draw like with me if you want. Okay, so this is the diagram I'm drawing. Okay, like this resistance are there, and 3 more branches are there. 1, this is second, and this is third one. Like this resistors we have connected. So this point is point M, this is N, O, P, Q, and this is R. So each resistor has value R ohm. How much its value is? R. And what he is asking, the resistance across this R M N is equal to how much? Okay, R M N is how much he is asking. Clear? This resistance is how much? So let's see how to solve this model. R M N is equal to how much? Resistance between these 2 points is how much he is asking. So how to do first of all? See here how I am doing. Now first see the diagram. This is the first point M and this is N. So if we are assuming that current is flowing through this wire like this, then current is going like this, then through this, then through this, and through this, as well as through this also. So at this point it is dividing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. Now you see here this current is going same. So can I say that these two are in series? Yes. So RMQ, what I am doing, see, RMQ is equal to, यहाँ पे ना resistance between M and Q points, right? How much it is? 2R. Why? Because they are in series, right? So this 2R is in parallel, with this R. Yes or not? This and this branch both are in parallel. So this 2R and R is in parallel. Therefore, RMQ is equal to, how much you are getting? R1, R2. Yes or not? You know this RP formula. R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So here what you are having? R1 is 2R, R2 is R, divided by 2R plus R, and therefore it is how much? 2R square divided by 3R, and that is equal to 2R by 3. Yes or not? 2R by 3. Clear? This is what finished here. Now let's redraw the circuit again for your understanding. So see here, this is redrawing. So we are reducing, है ना? Because successive reduction is there no method. What is this method? Successive reduction. So let's draw it again because we have find out this MQ branch resistance. So now this will be like here, it will be M point. Yes, M point here. And this one is Q point. Clear? Then this one is P point as it is. Then here it is O point as it is. And here it is N point which is as it is. Yes or not? Okay, so let's draw it, the diagram. Yes, clear. Okay, so now here this resistance is like this only. Yes, and one more resistance from this point to this point, M point to this. Now this one is what here already we got 2R by 3. This is R, this is R, again this is R, this is R, and this also R. And we have to find across these two terminals, that is M and N. Now see here MP. I am taking MP. R in between M and P terminals. So see here, you can see at this point if current is flowing, suppose like this, then it is getting divided here, 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 and here. So this current is going same. So these two are in series, and this is in parallel with this R. So let's find out this same like this one. So here 2R by 3 plus R, है ना, this plus this is in series and both are parallel with this R. तो पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे कितना होगा 2R plus 3R divided by 3 is in parallel with R. Got it? Yes. 2R by 3 plus R is in parallel with R. Why? These two are in series. If these two are in series, then we are adding. So that's why I have added 2R by 3 plus R. Here I have did. And this is in parallel with this. So let's find out now this RMP. Okay. So RMP is equal to 5R by 3 is in parallel with R. Clear? है ना? 2 plus 3, 5R. 5R by 3 is in parallel with R. So therefore RMP is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So 5R by 3 into R divided by 5R by 3 plus R. And therefore RMP is equal to 5R square by 3 total divided by 5R plus 3R divided by 3. Yes or not? Yes. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So how much you are getting here? 5R square divided by 8R. This R and this R again cancels. So you are getting RMP is equal to 5R by 8. Check karo. Yes or not? 2R plus 3 plus R is how much? 5R by 3 is in parallel with R. So this 5R by 3 into R, R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. So this into this, how much? 5R square by 3. And this 5R plus 3R, that is 8R by 3. So this 3 cancel and everything is right. Okay, good. So next, now next one. Now this branch finished, this total part finished. Now left is this one. So let's go ahead with this. Again redrawing. Let's change the color now. So again, redrawing. Once you will get the speed, you can easily draw the diagrams. So this is your M point, this is your N point. M and N point finished. Now this is P, O, that's it. Yes or not? P and O point you want. So here I am taking P point and here I am taking O point. This is O, this one is N, this is M, and this one is P. Yes, no? So here it is like, and now how many branches you will get? P and O, है ना? P and O, two branches you should get. So P and O. So this is one more point. Yes, only 2 points. This already finished, no? So only you are getting like this. Only one resistance now here. Okay. So this is how much now? 5R by 8 MP. This one is R, 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 and this is also R. And we have to find across these two terminals. Yes, no, this is coming in, this is going out. So you can see here, now this is a current in. At this point, current will divide again into these three branches. So this current is going like this through them, and one current is going like this to reach this point. So these two are again in series and this is in parallel. So therefore, see here, again I am writing RMO. RMO is what? 5R plus 5R by 8 plus R. Why? Because these two are in series. You can see same current is flowing. Same current is flowing. Series. It is getting divided. Parallel. E is in parallel with R. This is just denotation. Okay. Yaad rakho. So therefore RMO is equal to 5R plus 8R how much? 13R by 8 is in parallel with R. Yes. Right or no? So therefore RMO is equal to 13R by 8 into R divided by 13R by 8 plus R. So that is equal to 13R square divided by 8, है ना? 13R square by 8 divided by 13R plus 8R कितना होगा? 21R है ना? R by 8. सही है? चेक करो एक बार. If any correction, check and tell me also. Check it once. So 5R by 8 plus R, we did 13R by 8 is in parallel with R. Okay, so this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled. This R will get cancelled with here, and you are getting answer as 13R by 21. Yes, 13R by 21. Clear? Next. Again, redrawing. Now see here, already this part we have finished. This part we have found out. Yes, now left is this. Only 3 points you will get. So here it is 1, this is 2, and here it is 3. That's it. So first register, second, and this is point M. This one is N, and here it is what? O point. This is O. This is R, this is R, and this is how much? 13R by 21. 13R by 21. And these are the wires. Okay. So now here you see the current is flowing like this and like this now. So this current is going here and this is in this. So resistance across this MN. So RMN is equal to 13R by 21 plus R is in parallel with R. So therefore RMN is equal to 13R plus 21R divided by 21 is in parallel with this R. Yes, no, LCM I have taken. So how much you are getting this? 34R, right? Check karo. 34R divided by 21 is in parallel with this R. This is what RMN. Therefore, RMN is equal to 34R by 21 into R divided by 34R by 21 plus R. That is equal to 34R square divided by 21, and this is how much? 34R plus 21R divided by 21. This 21 cancel. So how much you are getting? 34R square divided by, I think 55. Check karo. 55 R. Enough. Yes, right. So this R and this R will get cancelled. How much you are getting answer? 34R by 55. And therefore your answer is how much? RMN is equal to 34R by 55. Oh. Check karo ek baar. If any doubt, please send me. Yes. So usually this is the what you can say, little bit rough model. They will not ask this much lengthy models particularly. They will ask you very easy questions which will get, whose value will get reduced each time. Whose value will get reduced each time. Okay. So here let's see the another example so that you will understand, or you try to solve yourself. Same model I am giving. Try yourself. Okay. And tell me the answer. First note down this all. So let's solve one problem, but you will solve. find the resistance between A and B points. तो आप लोग ट्राई करो, बहुत इजी है. You will understand. You can do, see, although it looks lengthy, do it stepwise. Once you will get practice, immediately you can do it. A, B, C, D, E, and this is F. If you will solve, you will get very small value, and it is very easy also. So across these two terminals, you can find out resistance. Try yourself. Shall I give hint? See here. First of all, same like previous model. You just check it and do it. First this one, this two series parallel, then this two series parallel, then this two series parallel, then this two series parallel. Ante. Very easy. So I am giving you answer also. Answer is for this. How much you are getting? Check. You are getting answer as, wait, this is we will give it as a problem number 1. Okay, and this answer is, you try yourself. Answer is 2R/3. Answer is 2R/3 ohm. And one more problem I am giving for you, very easy. Try karo. Same thing. Okay, so you have to find across these two. So I'm not giving answer for this. You can solve this too. Try yourself. Okay. So this is our successive reduction method. Try to solve. Okay. So all the best and enjoy the day. Let's stop here. Bye for today.